It got hit good here in this right rear corner. I'm just gonna rip this right across here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Accord here. This one I'm gonna be getting pretty deep into. It got hit good here in this right rear corner. Destroyed this inner piece that runs inside of the quarter panel right here, and it's going to get a new floor extension, new taillight pocket, new rear body panel, and new quarter panel, which I have the parts laid out here. My quarter panel, rear body panel, taillight pocket. This is the inner piece that runs inside of there, and that's my floor extension. But before I cut this apart, I'm going to go ahead and pull all this damage roughly out, pull everything out, then I will start cutting it. So I am still waiting on our glass company to come and cut this back glass out. They're supposed to be here in a little bit, but they're not here yet. So, and this quarter panel goes underneath the glass, obviously. So I'm just gonna rip this right across here just to get this bottom chunk out of the way. And then once they get this glass cut out, I'll trim that back the rest of the way.